Okay, let's see what is next. At least one should know these ions. What do you mean by the word monovalent? Mono means one. So look at the board. Okay, tell me one thing. Out of these examples that you can see here, how many examples do we have here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you think? Which one is the monovalent ion? Correct. Mono means one. So this is monovalent. This is monovalent. Why both of these are monovalent? Because plus one. So monovalent could be positive or monovalent could be negative. Other example you can see H plus, hydrogen has lost electron, sodium is plus is there, this is lithium plus, this is called ammonium plus. Okay, so all of these are monovalent cations. Mono, try to understand, you have to repeat it again and again. Monovalent cations. Why all of these are monovalent? Because there is only one charge, but the negative is there, that is why we call them monovalent anions. All right? Similarly, on the next screen, you will see some other anions and cations, divalent and trivalent, like divalent. Di means 2, tri means 3. So there are so many ions. These ions you should know. This screen you should know, you should remember. Let's have. So I am writing here CO3 2 minus. You have to learn it as it is. This combination is called carbonate. So whenever you listen carbonate, it means CO3 is there. Okay? Now let me ask, is it a cation or an anion? What do you think? Just think here. It is carrying a negative charge or positive charge? Right, it's an anion. Next question. Is it a monovalent, divalent or trivalent? Divalent. Correct. Okay? Now, CO3 in another form. HCO3. Here we had 2 minus, here we will write 1 minus. Its name is bicarbonate, or its new name is hydrogen carbonate. Carbonate, bicarbonate. Next, SO4 2 minus. This is called sulfate. Again, an anion of divalent. If I write here HSO4, what do you call it? H means you will call it bisulfate or hydrogen sulfate. PO4. This is called phosphate. At least you should know, remember, practice it. You have to. Phosphate. If I write here H, it will become biphosphate or hydrogen phosphate. Now another one, NH4, ammonium. NH4 plus ammonium. Okay? NH3 is ammonia, NH4 plus ammonium. Now tell me, is this a cation or an anion? Cation. Which cation? Monovalent, divalent, trivalent? Monovalent. Correct. Okay. Beside these little bit complicated, we may have more like CH3, COO. This is called acetate. So on. Whereas some we have simpler ones. You know, this is fluorine. If we have a minus charge, we call it fluoride. You can see on the screen. This is Cl. If we have a charge over here, we call it chloride. Fluoride is used in toothpaste. Chlorides, bromides, O2 minus oxide. Okay? Nitride. So at least you know these ions, or at least which are here on the board. So it's a very technical class today. What have we done? We did that ions are the atoms with electrical charge, either positive or negative. Why? Because due to unequal amount of protons and electrons. If it is lost one electron, then it will be called cation. If it has gained electron, we call it anion. If there is only one charge, mono, two charges, di, and so on. So this is, so next we'll continue chemical equation, we'll continue reactants and products, and during the last 10 minutes, we see the types of chemical reactions. Hope you understood. Thank you so much. Take care.